Uria urari minister wa maria maturigiceirie na riu amuritwo gutuika minister wa urangiri wa mihaka SOIPAN TUYA no uma wa gatano kuhugwo ni kamiti ya bunge igi wa Murani kuria ataririe wagiriru wake gutungata ta mutumia wa gatatu ministry-ini ino.
The evidence I shall give before this committee.
TUYA oigite kurutithania wira na mbiraru wi murai ti undu muhuthu na we gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere guthoma murutire wa wira wa mbiraru na gukorwo ari mwenyihia niguo kurutithania wira na mbiraru gutari ngurutano.
I am a team player by design and by practice. I am also very consultative in my leadership philosophy, and this is a skill set that I will have to employ heavily.
TUYA ni ateteire mbiraru kurutururwo kambeini niguo kuhoreria mirurungano akiuga mutaratara wa watho ni warumirirwo na itemi ria mbiraru riari guteithiriria borithi. TUYA oigite mbiraru itire iracoka kambeini na iguthie na mbere kuiga ugitiri nginya riria bururi urihorera.
Upon confirmation, be very keen to focus on the need to strictly adhere to the constitutional provisions with regard to deployment.
Ciĩgiĩ woyani wa makurutu mbiraru-ini, TUYA ni atindĩkĩtwo ni ambunge guthathaura uria kuhurana na ungumania. Akiuga undu wa mbere gwika ni guithiranirwo ni mitaratara ya woyani. Akiuga no ni ndeto ekumikinyia kuri kamiti nene ya ugitiri wa kĩbũrũri.
We also need a lot of sensitization for Kenyans to know that you do not have to pay to be recruited into the KDF. I will look again at the SOPs around the recruitment, but it is also high time that we have a whistle blowing around these activities.
TUYA uria utonga wake wongererekete na mirioni 87 na gukinyiria mirioni 243 ihinda-ini riria aratungatire ta minister. Oigite gutigirira ndege na matharaita maria marahuthirwo ni mbiraru ni makinyanirie ikiro kumana na mitino ya ndege cia mbiraru iria ikoretwo ikiyumiria.
We've had a lot of
oho akorwo ni akuhetũkio eranĩire gutigirira kuri na waragania murutire-ini wa wira wa mbiraru uhuthiri wa kigina uria kwagiriire na guthurima mibango iria ikinyanirio ni mbiraru miaka-ini iyo ihetũkite. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.